Hey guys, welcome to Real Travels, a travel and adventure show powered by FEBC in collaboration with Shutterlight Digital. My name is Shaira De La Peña, your travel buddy and your host for this episode. And guys, we're back in the Philippines and we are here right now in Taytay, Rizal. So today, for today's video sa ating episode, tayo ay maglalakbay dito sa Taytay, Tiange, the garment capital of the Philippines. And we will explore ano ba yung makikita, ano ba yung masisilayan dito sa Taytay, Tiangean.
Real Travels.
Value for money.
Food trip.
Accommodation na sulit.
Real Travels.
Because adventures are the best way to learn.
So tara guys, samahan niyo ako, explore natin. Let's go! Ito guys, meron akong hawak na 1,000 pesos ngayon. So, for today's video, ang gagawin natin is 1,000 pesos Taytay Tiange Challenge. So, titingnan natin saan makakarating yung 1,000 pesos natin dito sa Taytay Tiange. So, let's go guys, samahan niyo ako. Hanap tayo ng mga pwede nating bilhin with 1,000 pesos. Super daming mga suppliers ng mga garments. So, mostly, yung mga binibenta dito are ready-to-wear items. Kaya parang if mag-Christmas shopping ka as early as now, this is one of the places that you can actually go to. Kasi hindi lang retail nila binibenta yung mga garments, yung mga clothing dito, kung they are very open for wholesale and bulk orders. Itong stall na to, isang design, pero sobrang daming available colors. They have khaki, brown, and then green, navy blue, dark gray salmon, acid light gray maroon. So imagine yun guys, ang daming variations, ang dami talagang mapagpipilian. So dito guys sa Taytay Tiange, nakakatuwa because it's very clean. First impressions ko, very organized siya for Tiangean and ang maganda dito is that they have parking spaces available. Tapos kitang-kita mo agad na papasok ka na sa Taytay Tiange. And dito sa Taytay Tiange guys, is like a compound. So parang hindi siya yung parang isang location na parang isang mall or isang buong mahabang stall. Not only garments din pala kasi ang dami palang mga stalls dito that sells different kinds of items. Like for example, dito sa likod may mga caps na binibenta. And then dito naman sa kabila may mga bags. And hanggang dun sa dulo, may makikita kang mga shoes, rubber shoes na binibenta. Diba? It's like a compound. So talagang nag-extend yung stores hanggang sa labas. Ang galing guys, so tingnan nyo, may mga hanger sila. Very, very affordable household items. May mga eco bag, may mga basahan guys. So 100 lang yung basahan dito. It's really nice. Tapos eto guys, may mas mura, tingnan nyo. 60 pesos lang ang kanilang mga rugs. Tapos kapag 50 pieces naman yung wholesale mo na rugs, 23 pesos each yung magiging price. O diba? Sobrang sulit. So yun guys, no, for our first stop, meron tayong mga nahanap na mga cute na mga shirts na overruns. So it ranges from different brands like Forever 21, H&M. So nagulat ako guys, super sulit buy yung kanilang mga shirts because for only 160, no, ate, 160 pesos. O diba? From 180, binigyan niya tayo ng discount, 160 na lang. And I got this shirt kasi pwede siyang pang pambahay. Very presko. So parang it's something na pwede natin i-try kasi ano naman siya. It's really authentic yung brand niya na Forever 21. Yan, salamat. Maraming salamat po. So, dahil natuwa naman tayo kay ate kasi nagbigay siya ng discount from 180 to 160, we got another shirt. So, ito guys, another shirt. Ayan. So, very, very nice pambahay kasi it's branded, no? It's something na panglabas dapat. Pero dahil sa price, di ba, pwede din siyang pambahay. Very, very presko and super nice. Ate, salamat. Shoutout na lang tayo. Shy type si ate. Sige, ate, maraming salamat po. God bless po. So, sa 1,000 peso challenge natin for today's video, so far, nakakadalawang 160 pesos tayo, which is equivalent to 320. 680 pa, guys. So, tingnan natin ano pa yung pwede nating mabili. Dito sa ating second stop, meron tayong nahanap ng mga shorts. So, magkano to ate? 95 lang, no? So, tingnan nyo to, guys. Kasi kanina, bumili ako ng mga shirt na pambahay. So, this is a nice pair of shorts. sa ating pabahay. So, ayan, 95. I got a navy blue one and I got a khaki colored one. So, super sulit no for only 95 pesos. And since dalawa kukunin natin, it's a total of 190. Ayan, salamat. May change po ba kayo dyan? Galing guys, they have different types of shorts. Kita nyo naman sa taas ko, they have the medium size, they have the large, they have tokong, they have above the knee shorts. So, yun guys. As a person na may initin para presko. So far, 190 plus 320 is 510. Ayan, napapamat tayo for today's video. So, 510. So, meron pa tayong halos parang 490 na sukle. So, tingnan natin ano pang mabibili natin. Tara! Andito tayo guys sa Bagpi Garment Center. And super cute. Kasi may mga pangalan naman pala yung mga stores dito sa napakalaking Taytay Tiange compound. It's like an amusement park for different types of garment and shopping items. The quality of yung mga garments dito, it's actually talagang not bad. In fairness din talaga. Like for example, dito may mga underwear. If you can check the quality, yung texture ng mga underwear dito, talagang quality. Like, it's not something na parang manipis, something na mabilis masira, something like that. So, parang ang galing lang. Tapos dito guys, tingnan nyo, may mga shirts, very basic essentials, very classic staple in your wardrobe, right? So, if you're gonna check the tela of the shirts here, makapal siya. Tsaka talagang very high quality. So, on our next stop, may nakita kaming mga shirts dito na mga pangdalaga at pang mga kids din, no? Pwede. Kasi mga crop top to na shirts. Ano po tela gamit nyo dito, ate? Ayan, spandex cotton. Kitang-kita nyo, guys. The fabric is really soft. Parang di siya mainit, no? Sa katawan. Ayan. Tapos magkano nyo po ito binibenta, yung mga shirts nyo po? Retail at wholesale, 50 pesos. Ayan, napakaganda. Mga different styles ng mga shirt, iba't ibang design and iba't ibang colors. So, ayan, I think, one size naman po ito, no? Ayan. So, sige po, Ate Evelyn, bibili po kami. Ayan, isa po nito. Ayan, at hanap pa tayo ng anong kulay. Comment down below, guys, anong magandang color. So, bibilhan ko yung little sister ko, which is si Juliana Sam. So, shoutout sa'yo. Bibilan ka ni tita ng mga shirt sa Taytay. So, this one, ayan, sa Taytay Tiange. This one is nice. This is baby pink. Yan, minimal lang yung design nila. Yeah. So, 1, 2. Ayan, this is nice. Ayan, let's get this color green. Ayan, avocado green. Grabe guys, 50 pesos only. Only at Taytay Tiange. Again, sa Pasilio number 24 kay Ate Evelyn. Ate Evelyn, pwede po kayo mag-shoutout.
Hi! Shoutout sa Madlang Bayan family! Kumusta po kayo dyan? And sa mga Cavite, hi!
Yan, maraming salamat po Ate Evelyn. At ito na, magbabayad na po ako. 150 po lahat, no? 150. So, compute tayo guys ha. From 190, 320, 150. Total nun is 660. So, meron pa tayong 340. Yun, guys. So, maraming salamat, Ate Evelyn. May 340 pa tayo. Let's go, guys. Tingnan natin ano pang mararating ng 340 natin. So, yan, guys. For our next stop, kasama natin si Ate Jezebel sa Pasilio 24. Tapos, nagulat kami. Grabe, super sulit yung mga shorts niya kasi it ranges from 25 pesos to 35 pesos na wholesale. So, ilan po ba kailangan bilhin para makapag-wholesale po? 3, ayan. O, diba? Sulit lang yung wholesale nila. 3 pataas for only 25 pesos. So, kanina bumili tayo ng mga pambahay for my little sister, which is 50 pesos each lang. So, syempre, lalagyan natin ng turn ng shorts yan. So, ayan. Ate Jezebel, bibilin ko na po ito. Ayan. This is 25. So, we got the pink one para turn na doon kasi color pink yung nakuha natin kanina. And then, we'll get this one. This is medyo khaki, so at least medyo pastel yung color. Good for the avocado green na shirt earlier. And then, siguro let's just get this dark brown one. Ayan. Let's get this dark brown one. So, yan. 3 po, no? So, 75 lahat. Tulit, guys. Tatlong shorts for only 75 pesos. Super sulit, diba? Ito po ate, maraming salamat po. Okay guys, so right now, pahinga muna tayo from all the ikot-ikot dito sa Taytay Tiangge. And so far, nakabili tayo ng 2 shirts, 2 shorts, 3 shirts for my little sister, Juliana, hello, and 3 shorts for Juliana as well. So, diba, super sulit. Meron pa tayo sukle from the 1,000 pesos and meron kaming nakita paglabas ng pasilyo. It's like a new samyup place and it's called I Love Dad's Burger. Ayan, I Love Dad's Burger, House of Unlimited. They have only samyup for 199 pesos. So nagulat kami guys. 199? Only samyup na? Kala ko ang mura lang dito sa Taytay Tiangge or the clothes, diba, the garments. Pero grabe guys, pati pagkain, ang mura din, no? 199. Presyong Tiangge din yung kanilang pagkain. It's really sulit because if you can look at everything on the table, from the lettuce, fish cake, corn, kimchi, and the plain pork. And meron din silang binigay na pork with some salt and pepper. All of these are unlimited for only 199 pesos. Imagine that, guys! Only, parang nakabuffet ka na for only 199 here at Dad's. I Love Dad's Burger at Taytay Tiangge. Super sulit kasi dito sa ating 1K challenge, kasama na yung food at only pa yon. So, tingnan natin later ano yung magiging sukli natin. So, we're going to taste test and we're gonna get some cheese. Yan, kuha tayo ng cheese and there you go. Tatry natin yung kanilang samyupsal. So, tara, let's try. Not bad, guys. Not bad for 199. Sarap! Sarap siya! It's 7.8 out of 10 for me. Price, lasa, really okay. Let's try the kimchi. And guys, as a kimchi lover, very particular ako on how I like my kimchi, but I appreciate all kinds of kimchi. Fresh, spicy, hindi spicy, very, very fermented. Any type of kimchi, I love. So let's try their kimchi. I love it. Hanghang. I love manghang. Sarap, sarap. Kimchi is also good. It's 7.8 as well for me. Really, really not bad. Super sarap ng kimchi nila. Medyo mas nandun siya sa levels ng above average ng pagkaanghang. But yeah, it's really good. Overall, it's something na parang ma-enjoy nyo naman guys kumain here. Again, sa I Love Dad's Burger and House of Unlimited. This is just across the mga pasilyo dito sa Taytay Tiangge. This is at the 2nd floor. Sa baba kasi, puro Taytay Tiangge din yung first floor nito. So, you'll easily find this kasi kitang-kita naman nakalagay sa labas nila. Only samyup for 199. So, for me, this is really a 10 out of 10 in terms of sulit quality. So, yun guys, we are done eating here at I Love Dad's Burger and House of Unlimited sa ating 199 na only samyupsal. Sobrang busog ako guys. And ito na, update sa ating 1,000 peso challenge. 320 ang ginastos natin for 2 shirts, 190 pesos for 2 shorts, 150 pesos for 3 shirts na pambata for my little sister, 75 pesos for 3 shorts na pambata, 199 pesos for the samyup. Syempre, kakain tayo kasi napagod tayo kakaikot sa Taytay Tiangge. And I also got 45 pesos din as drinks. So, bumili pa ako ng drinks, guys. So, grand total natin, guys, is 979 pesos. Minus 1,000 pesos, meron pa tayong sukli na 21 pesos. O, diba? Yehey! At least meron tayong sukli. Pwede natin gamitin pang parking, o, diba? So, yun guys, super sulit talaga dito sa Taytay Tiangge. And 1,000 pesos lang yun. Ang dami mo nang nabili. Halos more than 5 pieces of garment compared if you will buy sa mall. So, super, super sulit talaga, guys. And that's it for our episode for today, guys. Live na live here at Taytay Tiangge. Grabe, no? Super sulit day with sulit Bye! So yan guys, comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong mapuntahan natin here in the Philippines and beyond here in Real Travels. So always remember guys that adventures are the best way to learn. Again, this is Shaira de la Peña, your travel buddy and your host here in Real Travels, and I'll see you for the next episode. Bye!